All right. Yeah. Oh, I'm just sitting in my garage. Yeah, I don't know, man. I'm trying to organize stuff in this garage. I don't have much space, and I'm just trying to figure out priorities. So, it's getting just overwhelming. Like, I've bought this car, which was like £2,000, and then I've bought, well, I bought the new gears and stuff for the transfer box. That was £500. I bought bits and pieces like, well, the seats I'll show you in a second. A couple of seats, bucket seats, and new exhaust, and then just bits and pieces like the new floor pan, hard rods, rear suspension. Yeah, and it's just scary. Like, I don't know, like, I'm just spending all this money, and yeah, I kind of wanted to like get a house and stuff, but I just thought we're not going to get one this year probably, so I thought, well, I'm not going to put it in Bitcoin because that's just going to fucking crash probably. I did that before, got out, made a good profit, but yeah, not doing that again. So yeah, I don't know, man, it's just stressful. I also bought another car because I thought I just don't want like my savings just sitting there. Yeah, I mean, you could just put your money in a bank account somewhere and it's not gonna fucking make any money at all with interest rates. So yeah, I bought you can't see it, I'll show you in a second. Yeah, I bought another car, but it's kind of roadworthy and can be my daily just now. So, but it's just, so I bought the car, I bought the Jimny, obviously, bought all these bits, and I bought loads of bits for the other car, new clutch, all sorts of other bits to try and restore it and put some value in it. But just from my my 9 to 5, sat on my laptop all day, you just wonder if you're making the right call. So hopefully I have. Hopefully I don't fucking just spend a ton of money and time and effort and it just goes down the pan. But yeah, I hope not. I think I should just have a bit more confidence, but I don't know. Like lately, I had this thing last night where I was just on my laptop. I was like, it was about 9 o'clock at night. I was working on some stuff that a project manager sent me, and she just basically dumped a bunch of shite on my lap, and I went through it all and I just did my research and found out all the information about what she was talking about, and I was like, you're talking absolute crap and you're just trying to dump stuff on me. And then I was looking at the laptop and I was about to get off. I was like, this is the best fucking email I've ever sent, and then everything just kind of went fuzzy. So weird, like, just like everything got really close to me. That makes sense. Like everything kind of got bigger and then slowed down, and I got up and I was like, Carly, what, not feeling well. And I went through to the bedroom and I was like, I'm gonna faint, like I'm gonna pass out or something. But I've been having these like heart palpitations, and I don't know, I thought maybe my arm's getting sore from holding this camera. I need to do it. I need to start working out again. And yeah, so I just was like, I'm not feeling well at all. This is, yeah, I've never had this before where I've felt like I was like, I pretty much felt like I was dying. I know that sounds dramatic, but I've been getting these heart palpitations for weeks, and I think, well, I don't know what's going on, but I said to her basically, yeah, I felt like I was going to pass out, and she made me like sit down in the bed, put my head between my legs and sort of calm me down. She's a nurse. And then I was alright for a bit, but I was like, I honestly thought with the palpitations I've been getting, and then I got like a little bit of like pain in my left arm and my chest, I thought, oh, fuck, you know, it's just worrying. I was like, I'm not, I don't want to I don't want to die here. So then I went back into, went back next door, and then I was like, right, I'm alright. She's like, no, you're not alright, we're going to A&E to get you checked out. So like, that's fine, but let me get a shower first. So I got a shower, and then I was like, I'm good, I feel good. You know, I had a shower, I've, you know, cooled off, and then fuck, I nearly fainted coming out of the shower, and then I was lying down and my heart was like just bursting, like it was just like bulging out, and then my heart, it was like 145 just sitting on the bed, and she put like she did that, like the iWatch thing around my wrist, and then I was like, yeah, let's go to A&E because this is a bit worrying. So then, yeah, we went to A&E, but on the way there, she was going like, she was driving her Focus, the Focus ST, and she was driving fast. Apparently she was doing like 130 or something along the motorway to Hairmyres. And then I was in the car and I was like, yeah, I need to get there because I'm not doing so good. And I could honestly felt like she was going like 30, like it didn't feel normal. But anyway, I got there, they did blood pressure, they did some tests, they did an ECG, everything seemed normal. So I don't know, maybe it's like a panic attack, just anxiety, just with like doing loads of different things that I'm just time constrained by. So anyway, I don't know if this is at all something that you tuned in for. Most definitely not. You're here to try and learn about, or trying to see what I'm doing with a Jimny or fucking up. But yeah, I just thought I'd give a little update because I just feel like, you ever feel like you're just kind of walking around in your day-to-day life and then you're kind of just leaking, right? You're sort of, you're kind of getting your chores done, you're going to work, you're making your dinner, you're hoovering your floor, you're taking the dogs out for a walk, you're taking the rubbish out, but it's not enough, and all of the sort of your life force is kind of just bleeding out, and no matter what you do, you can't plug the holes, and it's just like 100 different tabs open on a browser. You're just trying to, like, how do I do this? How do I do that? How do I do this? Can I do this? You know, should I buy this? Should I do this? What's this person saying to me? Like, all these different things. Yeah, I think maybe thinking about it now is probably was just more just anxiety really than, yeah, I don't know. I feel a bit weird doing this video, but it's kind of nice. But yeah, so it's the next day. I'm still not feeling great. I've been just sitting watching The Sopranos all night. Well, since I finished work. I'm taking some time off next week just to chill out. I want to do some mountain climbing and stuff just to get away from keyboards, computers and cars. So yeah, just a wee update. So I'll show you now. I'll show you now what I've been working on and what's been kind of blocking me to getting more of the Jimny done. So thanks for tuning in, and yeah, this is a guy approaching his midlife who's positively losing his mind by having too many things to do at the same time and just struggling to prioritize. But I've just been dramatic. So yeah, let's have a look at what things I've been buying and things that I can't fix, that I'm waiting for some sort of sign from God that I'm doing the right thing. So yeah, anyway, I'm just talking shite now, to be honest, so I just don't know how to end this. I can't remember if I said, but I put the back bumper pack on. Yeah, it's obviously going to have to come back off so I can do more of the stuff on the rear end, like fix the rust issues, do some reinforcements. New exhaust, I'm currently trying to fit that. I bought the wrong size diameter flange for it, so need to wait for the flange to arrive. Got the brackets and then can put that back on. I doubt, I was going to go underneath there, but alright, let me go underneath. I don't know if this will be bright enough, but you see that? I think you can see that. That's the transfer box and the plug hole thing for the to remove all the oil out of it is completely rusted up, and it's rounded off all the edges, so I need to I bought a special tool, well, some extractor bolt things to try and remove it, because what I wanted to do was get it roadworthy, in case I could, you know, get it along to my mates so we can do the engine replacement. But yeah, I've been working hard to try and just reorganize, because I'm just working in this little space here, so I want to wait for that to come, then I can take out the transfer box and do the swapping of the gears, which improves drivability and things. So, but yeah, this arrived today. This is a engine. This is my engine. This is my 1.6 Vitari Liana engine. So that is quite exciting that that's arrived. I need to arrange a date for that for us to work on that, transplant it. That's going to be great, really. I'm pretty excited about that. So I bought this from a breaker's yard for £300. 1.6, it's done 40,000 miles. I think that's not a bad deal. Got a warranty on it too. Got a new clutch with it, or I bought a new clutch to go with it. So that'll that'll help get the power down, because look at it, what a beast. It's just so small. But yeah, I don't know if I can, well, I can't really do it here, so hopefully getting some space at a mate's yard to do that with some friends and have a barbecue and drink some beer, which will be really nice. Looking forward to that. And yeah, as I mentioned, I bought a car. It's a Ford Mondeo. It's, yeah, ST200. This is the only car, apparently, that James May, Clarkson and Hammond all agree is good. And it's got a full stainless exhaust on it. Full stainless system, double exhaust, and it sounds so good. This one, I bought a bunch of stuff, so I'll probably do that on like a different channel, different playlist, sorry. So yeah, just trying to manage all the different parts that I need to buy for that. Or I've already bought a clutch, I've bought an ECU, upgraded map, and a ton of other stuff. Cosmetically, I just want to try and keep it as stock as possible. So yeah, I think that's about it for the Jimny at the moment. Just need to wait for this kit to come so I can actually take out the transfer box and then fit the exhaust, and then that'll be back on the road, so then I can transport it places for the engine swap. But wee update for you, not too exciting. And yeah, thank you very much for tuning in, and in the next episode, hopefully it'll be drivable again, but I plan to show you how to, or how I changed all the gears in the transfer box and exhaust replacement. And yeah, that's it. So let's get out of here, bros.